All right, here's a radical idea. Stop forcing your customer to do your job for you. Boy, we really like what you're offering here. Oh, great. I'm glad you like it. Yep, it would be a good fit for us. So happy to hear that. I want to talk about a scary phenomenon here, and it's called the yielding tendency. The tendency to yield when we come up against discomfort. Like, for example, when it's time to ask for the sale. I've seen this happen with salespeople. I've seen it as a consumer. I've seen it watching salespeople in their own presentation, where it's time to ask for the sale, but there's that little awkwardness inside. And when it's time to ask, what do? They pull up short, and they literally wait for the customer to ask permission to buy. No, nada, nunca, niet. That yielding tendency can be devastating. Why? Because it prevents the salesperson from doing what they are really supposed to do, which is to make it easy for the customer to do what they want to do. And here's my question for you. What happens when a yielding salesperson meets up with a yielding buyer? Salesperson doesn't want to ask if they want to purchase, and the buyer doesn't want to ask if they can buy. Now, oddly enough, the relationship can sustain because yielders are nice people. They love to be liked. And so I've got this great little relationship going on, and we're friends, we're baking cookies for one another. Our dogs have a play date. But then what happens? They purchase from a better salesperson. A salesperson who understood that they do not want to force the customer to come to the salesperson hat in hand asking permission to buy. That's why you're there, to help them do what they want to do anyway. Asking for the sale is your job. Now I know what you're thinking. Closing is hard.
It's supposed to be hard. If it wasn't hard, everyone would do it. The hard is what makes it great.
Hey, I've got news for you. It doesn't actually have to be that hard. It really doesn't. In fact, the more simple your closing approach, the better it is for your customer. So can I make a suggestion here? It's called the next step close. What do? You get to that point where you know it's time to ask, and you always know when it's time to ask. And you simply say to your customer, oh, look, I love it when my customers find what's going to work best for them. Now, the very next step in the process is to sit down and, whatever the next step is, write a contract, write a check, whatever you're asking them to do. Now, the very next step in the process is to do this. Is that what you wanted to do? That's it. Very simple. The next step is this. Is that what you wanted to do? All you have to do is get it down and practice it 10 or 20 times, or 50, or 100, or whatever it takes to get it mastered. Stop forcing the customer to do your job. Your job is to make it easy for them to do what they want to do anyway. That's when you get to change their world. As always, thanks for watching the 5-Minute Sales Training. If you haven't subscribed, you gotta subscribe. And you can go over to jeffshore.com and right on the front page, click on Yes, I Want That. It's in a green box right there. You'll be able to get notifications to your inbox every Saturday morning when a new episode comes out. Until next time, learn more, earn more.